In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to place your Photoshop image inside of the stamp template that we created. You can see it's clipped out all within those areas. The little like perforated like holes are right there, and my image that I photoshopped is right there. So let's start where everyone else is, right? So this is the one that we did in Adobe Illustrator. So in Adobe Illustrator, you open up this file and you have the 3 different layers, right? In those layers, you have one that's the different balls. I'm going to change the color just so you see it. Instead of white on the outside, right? You have the balls on that one. Then you have the blue square on this one. Then you have the white square on this one. What I'm going to do is basically take out these red balls from this layer right here out of this blue square right here. So first thing, I want to select it, and I go to Object, Expand Appearance, and then I'm going to go back to Object again and hit Expand. What that does is going to expand my fill and my stroke of each one of those balls, and that's it. Now I want to hold Shift, and I'm going to select the blue one right here. Since I have this one selected, holding Shift and clicking here is going to select both of them at the same time. So there you go. They're both blue. They are both selected. Now I'm going to go to the Shape Builder tool. The Shape Builder tool, let me see. If you don't see it the same way I do, it's right over here. This is the Shape Builder tool. But if you don't see it like that, just go to Window, Workspace. Make sure Essentials Classic is clicked. If it's not, just click it. And then reset Essentials Classic if you already have it clicked. All right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you don't see it on the 9th one, just click and hold it down. It's inside one of these. All right? I'm going to click in the middle. You can see what's happening there. It puts that little halftone pattern. It says you want to create a shape out of this, since it's the Shape Builder tool. This one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. I say this one. There it is. And now I'm going to zoom out. There it is. And now I'm going to go to the Selection tool. And I'm just going to select the one that I just created, which is that one right there. I'm going to hide, by the way, the balls on the top. There you go. I'm going to change the color of that, actually. I'll change the color to be, I don't know, purple. There you go. All right. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to place my image that I created in Photoshop. You see all these blue balls right there? I don't need any of those, actually. I don't need any of them. I could come over here and hide each one of them. There's a lot of them. I realized what happened on the last tutorial, but yeah, it's a lot of different ones. Those are all the pieces that were left over from me creating the shape. So I hide them right here. There you go. So now I want to go to File, Place. So File, Place. And now I'm going to look for the one that I photoshopped. So it's going to be Andres G _ halftone 1 .psd for Photoshop document. Here it is. I'm going to click and drag. There it is. I can move this around, but for right now, I think that's good. I'm going to send it to the back. Since I have it selected, Object, Arrange, Send to Back. And now, again, it's still selected. If I hold Shift, I can now click on this one as well, which I did. So now I have the purple, or whatever color you decided to make your stamp, and I have the image selected at the same time. Since I have both of them selected, all I have to do is go to Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And that's it. You have your stamp with the image, and it's clipped out in Adobe Illustrator. The only thing we have to do after this is add our text. I hope this helps.